Hey there, my name is Q. This is episode 219 of the Blue Box. Human DNA is extremely intelligent and a lot more powerful than we have been led to believe or than we were ever taught. The man who actually discovered DNA himself stated that DNA couldn't have stemmed from the Darwinian theory of evolution. And so what we have here is the discoverer of DNA telling us that DNA is too complex to have evolved in the manner we have been taught, and that in fact DNA is part of a universal blueprint. The intelligence we find in our DNA is similar to the intelligence we find in the ether. And so we are not separate from our surroundings. We are actually of our surroundings. This is how DNA functions, and this is how humans are able to operate here on Earth. And so when we are talking about DNA and the capabilities of DNA, we can always refer to the Great Solar Flash and the dimensional shift that is expected and promised here on this Earth at the end of an age. We are said to attain rainbow bodies when this Great Solar Flash is activated, and our DNA is going to spontaneously evolve. Now, you may question spontaneous evolution and how it may work. There is science out there that proves spontaneous evolution is a real thing. There were salamander eggs that were spontaneously evolved using laser beams, and I will be covering more of that science later on this channel. But I want you to know and understand that DNA is extremely powerful. The place we reside here on Earth is also intrinsic in terms of a universal blueprint. And so we are not separate from where we are living. We are not separate from the Earth. We are not separate from the planet. And the science of a dimensional shift is also real. And so when we add all of this together, the complexity of DNA, the Great Solar Flash that is expected at the end of an age, and the science of a dimensional shift, we can begin to really study who we are as a human race and perhaps get the answers as to where we are headed. Thank you for checking into episode 219 of the Blue Box. My name is Q. I hope to see you on the next video.